Hey guys, and welcome to the second tutorial of Sharade Varnam in the raga Abheri. So if you are thorough with the first part, where I have taught you Pallavi, Anupallavi and Chittaswaram, we can try the Charanam and Charana Swaram 1 and 2, because that's what I'm going to teach you in this tutorial. So let's get started. First, the Aram and Sa Ga Ma Pa Ni Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Ri Sa. Charanam, let me sing it once. Pa Ni Sa Ni Sa Ga Ri Sa Ni Sa Ni Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Pa Ma Ga Ri Ni Sa Ga Ma. Let's move in detail. Pa Ni Panjami Sai Mandirka plain. Nishada Sai Mandirka Ni Gamma plus slide. Pa Sani Sani Pa Sani Sani Pa Ni Sa. Shadja having 3 dirka. Sa 1 2 3. Ni Sa Sani Sa Ni Sa Ni Sa. Okay. Sani are the answers of Nishad. Sani Sa are the answers of Shadja. Ni Sa. That's too quick. Ni Sa Ga Ri Ni Sa. From that Shadja, Ga Ri Gandhara has been lifted with a slide. Ni Sa Ga Ri. Rishabh, step down. Ga Ri Ni Sa Ga Ri Sa Ni Sa Sa play. Ni slide. Sa Ni Sa hammer. Sa Ni Sa. Do it quick. Sa Ni Sa. So up to that. Pa Ni Sa Ni Sa Ga Ri Sa Ni Sa. Then Ni Sa Ni Da Ni Sa. Nishad is having a gamaga. Ni Pa Sa Ni Ni Sa Ni Da Sa Ni Da Ni Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Pa playing Ma Pa Ma step down. Pa, which is Pa Ma Ni Pa Pa. That Ma Ga Ri Ni. Madhyamam Ma playing. Ma Ga. Gandhara is having slide from Madhyamam. Ma Ga Ri. Rishabh playing. Re Ni. Nishad is having a gama. Start from Rishabh. Re Ga Ni. 1 dirka is there. So it should be slow. Ma Ga Ri Ni Sa Ga Ma. Like in the other one. Shadja playing. Gandhara is having a gama. Sa Ma Ga Ma playing. Let me sing that in one step. This is how it goes. Pa Ni Sa Ni Sa Ga Ri Sa Ni Sa Ni Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Pa Ma Ga Ri Ni Sa Ga Ma. Or if you like to give an embellishment for the higher shadja, like Ni Sa Ga Ri Sa Ni Sa. Possible. Sa Ni Ga Sa Sa. Possible. Let me sing it once with this usage. Pa Ni Sa Ni Sa Ga Ri Sa Ni Sa Ni Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Pa Ma Ga Ri Ni Sa Ga Ma. Got it? Let's move to channel number 1. This channel number 1 is really tricky. Lot many dirghams. Let me sing it once. Pa Ma Pa Ga Ma Ga Ri Ni Sa Ni Sa Ni Sa Ga Ma. This is a thing. In some books, I have found a change in this script. There are not many dirghams for the starting Panjama or something like that. Anyway, this is the way I teach. Panjama 1 dirgham, Madhyama 1 dirgham, Panjama 1 dirgham, Gandhara 1 dirgham, like that. Each one dirgham. I will explain. Pa Ma. Madhyama having double slip. Pa Ma Pa Ma. Pa Ma Pa Ga. Double slip. Ma Ga Ma Ga Ga Ma. Ma Pa. Madhyama is having a throat to Panjama. ga, ma, ga, magaga, magaga. Those are the answers of Gandhara. Ga, ma, ga, re, ni. Rishabh playing Nishada, re, ga, ni, ni, sa. Shadji having two extra beats. Sa, which is sa, ni, sa, ni, sa. Those are the answers of Shadja. Ni, sa, ni. There are also two dirghams for Nishada. Then sa, back to Shadja, sa, ni, sa are the answers. Two dirghams there. Then ni, sa, ga, ma, ni, sa, ni, sa, plain, ga. Either you can give one gamaga, samaga, or ga, which is gantha, which is gamaga plus a slide. Samaga, then maga, ga, ma, plain. Let me sing it in one stretch. Pa, ma, pa, ga, ma, ga, re, ni, sa, ni, sa, ni, sa, ga, ma. That's it. That's Charana number 1. Charana swan number 1. Let's move on to Charana swan number 2. Pa, ni, sa, ni, da, ma, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, ni, da, ma, pa, ga, re, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, ma. This is it. Let's break it down. Pa, ni, sa, Panchama one dirgha. Nishad sang the gama. Pa, sa, ni, sa, ni, da, ma, pa. Here, ni, Panchama to Nishada, slide, straight slide. Pa, ni, da, da, you just step down. Ni, da, ma, da, ni, ma, gama, ma, pa. Ni, da, ma, pa, oh, pa, ma, ma, ni, pa, 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 okay. Ni, da, ma, pa, ma, ga, ma, ga, re, sa, re, ga, sa. Ni, da, ma, pa, pa, ni, sa, ni, da, ma, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. From the Shadja, ni, Shadja to Nishad, straight slide. Ni, da, ma, pa, ni, sa, ni, da, I will step down. Ni, da, ma, ni, ma, pa, ma, ni, pa. Pa, from this Panchama, ga, Panchama to ga, straight slide. Ga, re, Rishabh is starting step down. Ga, re, ni, ga, ni, sa, ni, sa, ni, sa, ni, re, ga, sa, okay, sa, ni, re, ga, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, sa, ni, da, pa. Okay, there. Sa, Nisa are the answers of Shadja. Then for Nishada, sing sa, ni. That's a hammering only. Ta-da! You should strike it. Sa, ni, da, pa, ma. Daiva, da, pa, playing, Panchama playing, Madhyama playing, repeat playing. Sa, ni, da, pa, ma. Okay. In one stretch, the second Sharana should sound like this. Pa, ni, sa, ni, da, ma, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, ni, da, ma, pa, ga, re, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, ma. So that's it. That's the end of this tutorial, the part 2 of Sri Sharade Varade. In the third tutorial, the next tutorial, I'll be teaching you the channel number 3 and 4. So keep on practicing, and if you have got any suggestions or opinions, you can post them as comments. Yeah, we'll meet you all in the coming tutorial. Bye.